The Miller 100 adjustable stripper is used on a variety of fiber cable and buffer tubes up to 1/8 inch, 3.2 millimeter diameter. The adjustable stop screw allows consistent tool setup. The Miller 100 is effective on simplex and duplex fiber cables. It is ideal for scoring the buffer tube on loose tube fiber. The Miller 100 stop screw needs to be adjusted to the proper scoring depth for your particular application. Apply the tool to the buffer tube at the designated strip length. Close the jaws firmly, rotate 45 degrees, and remove the tool. You have now scored the buffer tube. While keeping your thumb at the base of the score, flex and break away the buffer tube. Your fiber preparation is now completed without damage to the enclosed fibers. The 101S incorporates all of the quality features of the 100, with the added feature of an opening spring return and locking mechanism for ease of use and storage. The 103S combines the 100 and 101S qualities and adds an additional feature, a cam adjustment, to adjust the jaw opening, allowing the user to strip wire size from 22 to 10 AWG, 0.65 to 2.6 millimeter easier.